Your oil drain plug is held in by an $8 washer. Forget to replace it and your engine bleeds out at highway speed. Most people don't know it exists. Makes sense, your mechanic swaps it in seconds and never mentions it. But that crush washer is the only seal between your oil pan and the road. It compresses once and seals tight. Reuse it and the plug works loose over thousands of miles. Oil drips, then drains, then your bearings run dry. Pull your drain plug. See the flat copper or aluminum ring? Replace it every time. $8. Spun bearings cost $1,200. Your call.